Hello guys, my people don't be smart, the matter when I carry corner concerning David Bishop Onyedikpo. Now the update when I see for my screen. So when this our daddy Gio come out, he talk am say condemning pastors is dangerous and attract leprosy. Bishop David Onyedikpo. My people don't be smart, This daddy Gio come out say so they condemn pastors. He say now they say very dangerous. So he say they cause leprosy, my people. The update never finished there. Now our popular comedian, basket man, he come out. He say as far as he is concerned, he go continue to the condemn men of God. He go continue to the give the gbasgbos, you understand? Now the update now they see for my screen. So because as for me, Romy Pikin, me I don't see any reason why Nigeria pastors then they always they waka they go for inside social media that they fear make nobody talk to them. You understand? That they always they fear make nobody condemn them. Anybody when be say God really send, say you be bishop, you be apostle, you be prophet, say God really send you. I see no reason why you go to fear condemnation. That's why they always use late prophet TB Joshua. They give example when this man they alive, as that man receive condemnation, he not care if you like you go shit for your office, you go write put for newspaper. When that man they alive, they call on snake. They say they sleep with snake. If they sleep with dead body, they go mortuary, they go sleep. If they sleep for cemetery, that man not the true waste pit. But this the rest pastors, now you're good there. They even the waka they go for inside social media and they look for any bloggers when they carry their videos. And the update when they see from my screen. So anyway. Well, this other update they come from Kano State Governor and say they don't ban women and men to the swim for the same swimming pool. No be smart, I come across this update now. I say so now this one I be a problem now. All these RIP one they see from not every day. And I never even talk about all those people. You will be say bandit go one community, they go burn the whole house, both children, women, burn people with house. Now not they even care about those one. Now they wait till now they focus on about how people take the dress, how people take the swim for swimming. All those one not serve. Not be all those one be a problem. Now make una try secure people, life and property. Make una try make sure so now put security on ground. Una understand? Not be to go they do all those irrelevant things. When it be say you not even call for. Well, guys, this other update they come from Ahmed Musa, Super Eagle player. In talk am say AFCON 2021. Now go be this AFCON. Now go be last game for Super Eagle. You understand? Now the update when I see for my screen. So me and you know say this Ahmed Musa na one Nigeria player when be say man in they try well. They try for the team. You understand? Now as and I can be the Super Eagle captain and I can be the team captain. I want to see for my screen. So this other update they come from one juju musician Dio when they call Dio. You don't get rapid today at the age of 63. Wow. Miss Gentle so rest in peace. Nobody went not go. We only they pray for not be our portion. You understand? All we are praying for is good health and long life. So this other update they come from one young girl. They say young girl reportedly killed by stray bullet while asleep at bed in Maduguri. This one they sleep for her bed though. When stray bullet from nowhere come meet am for inside room where she for the sleep for inside her bed. You understand? That's why we always they pray for God mercy. You understand? Not be to your say chop, you sleep, you feel say another thing on the God they exist though. This one now you not go where there for the shoot gun, you not go where there for the fight. She dey sleep where she for the sleep. 9 bullets for commuter. Well, this other update one I dey see for my screen. So anyway, now video for like plan based on say music dey the background. So I not go play the video now and they see so when it just the display. Me, I don't know say Nigeria police they romantic like this, so then they caring. Well, Nigeria police join one guy, the form say he want the bruise and from there now, they don't know say they don't plan it together. The guy want engage his girlfriend. And the update one I dey see for my screen. So my people. The video na nice video when people say you go like watch anyway. If you want watch and go Instablock or you send just let me DM me make I send you through WhatsApp, you understand? Well, this other update na video anyway. I for still like plan but music see the background. This guy when they call Portable Zanzu when he sings Zanzu. This guy na guy be say man, the music be they go viral for the industry side, but where in they go now? We not currently understand. Few days back, this guy make one kind of statement when be say man. It not they as it not even make sense at all. He said now married women want they go after. Now I say you just they come up, you never make money. Now people even they bless you with small money when you take the suburb or the Gabuna. When they see the way they take they give you money, Burna Boy give money, Davido give money, Olamide give money. Even the wristwatch chain when you they wear, the clothes is when you even they wear. we dey see na your fellow celebrities or garden when be say man they don sit there before you, they don't make the money. Now they gift you all those things. But the way you they go now the video, this video one they see for my screen. So now they see in they throw away money for some slave queen that they rush on, they fall on top each other. Well, the guy be they go away anyway. I know say Nigerians would really like all those kind of music when be say man, they get meaning, you understand? Music when be say they get meaning, and Nigerians they always they like, you understand? My people are come across this video now say make I carry and come here, come show now. Well, this other update they come from Bola Tinubu. My people, I must be president and by force. So this man say I'm by force, by fire, by force. And the video now they see for my screen. So anyway, when they display and go plan, this man come out. He saying already tell President Bubu say man, he want to become Nigeria president by fire, by force. But he never informed Nigeria citizens. I come across this video now say make I carry and come here. Well, guys, make una watch this video. Why I go see you now for the ending of this video.
I can answer that with categorical yes. I've informed the president of my intention, but I've not informed the Nigerians yet. I'm still consulting, and I have no problem consulting, and I've not set a parameter of limitation to the extent of how many people will I consult. You will soon hear, all you want to hear is a categorical declaration. You've gotten that truth from me that I've informed Mr. President of my ambition.
So guys, I also now watch that full video. Now see and say this man, this 2023 election, in fact, any young youth when they vote for this man, I'll not say I know they look, that is, I know even they like better thing, and I don't want bright future for myself. Just imagine this kind of old man say they plan to come rule Nigeria at your age. At your age. Now you be former Lagos State governor, not be say you never make name, not be say the money never did there, everything don't there with you. Why you consider the draft for presidency, for God's sake? For God's sake, at your age, wait till you define get oga. May you relax now. Relax. Many young people can't rule us. People won't be say man, they're intelligent. People won't be say man, then as in their blood they hot. We need young people to come rule that country. We need people like Omoyole Sowore. We need people like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We need brave people when be say man, they will fit handle that country. Young people, vibrant guys when be say man, yes, if they become president, we go to see them for Dream House, we go to see them for all corner. They follow the whole state they go. Not be una just the drag, but at your age you say now you see the contest for presidency. I don't understand. And I used to be a leader. You be former governor. Wait till you come there. I don't understand. Bola Tinubu, for God's sake, make you drop this your ambition to becoming Nigeria president. Just drop him. Drop him for God's sake. We don't need people like now. Because the way the thing they go now, you they talk and you don't already they talk and say by force you must rule Nigeria, by fire, by force. You say you must rule Nigeria. Hi God. God. Well guys, when I do I want to tell you always they watch my videos. Once again, in case today now the first time when they come across this YouTube channel, my name is Remain Urumpiki. Make you help me share all these videos, subscribe for more updates, don't forget to hit on that notification bell so that whenever we drop any new update, you go be among the first person will be like say me go receive the notification. Don't forget to drop your comment for the comment section, because through your comment I go tell you what to be your opinion regarding this very video. So guys, I go see you now for the next update coming up soon. Respect, one love guys.